What stage of Piaget's cognitive development does a person belong to when he can understand specific logical ideas and apply them to concrete problems? So this be letter A, pre-operational thought. Letter A, no, pre-operational thought. Letter B, operational thought. Letter C, create operational thought. Or letter D, formal operational thought. Ang tumpak ng choice po natin dito, of course, is letter C. That's concrete operational thought. Concrete operational thought po yan dapat. Sadyang hindi ko siya binago because I'd want to show you the reality of your licensure exam for teachers na marami po siyang typo, okay? Marami pong wrong spelling, wrong grammar, wrong spelling kalimitan no, sa ating pong licensure exam for teachers. Ko po siya talaga kinorek or i-chinek kasi gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo at gusto ko pong explain sa inyo that when you take your LEP on November 30th or in March next year, prepare for the worst na po, di ba? So expect the worst, okay? Expect that you are going to see a lot of misspelled words, a lot of grammar errors. Minsan po, merong choices, walang questions, okay? So you might have that experience, okay? But see, so here, no, of course, letter C ang ating pong tumpak na choice. That should have been concrete, not create.